In this video, I'll be showing you how to use hidden apps on iPhone. Now, it's super easy to go ahead and access and use any of your hidden apps. So we'll be using an application for this example. We'll just use something like Luna Controller. If I long press on it, you can do this on any app, press require Face ID, and then hide and require Face ID. It's going to show that it's going to be completely hidden, right? It's not even going to be in my settings. If I want to go ahead and find this now, all I got to do is go all the way to the left to my app library. Once you're here, scroll down and you're going to see a hidden folder. So what I want to do is press on it. Now there's two options to go ahead and unlock it. There's the Face ID. So if you just give your Face ID, that's the first option. Then it shows your hidden folder. And the second option, if I go back and then I'm just going to, go back to it. If I hide my face and then I try and log into the Face ID, it's going to register that I'm not giving it my Face ID. I can try it again. And then once it fails the second time, it's going to ask you for your iPhone passcode. So once I give it my passcode, like I am now, as you can see, now the hidden folder is right there. And if I want to just go on any of the applications that are hidden, I just have to go here and then I can open it up. It's going to require my Face ID. And then as you can see, I'm now on the application. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through.